Hello, baby lovers. Compliment of the season. Merry Christmas and a prosperous Happy New Year in advance. Is your girl here, baby? AKA Chef B. Baby lovers, you're welcome to today's episode. It's Christmas Day and we are making our special PK recipe. Mouth-watering, no. Please, emphasis on the mouth-watering. BK recipe, fried rice with salad, moi moi, and chicken. So, these are the list of our table on our ingredients table. Baby lovers, you're gonna pardon this voice. This voice does not want. Baby lovers, you're gonna pardon my voice. I'm still trying to recover. I've not fully recovered yet. But it's Christmas and we have to cook. So let's go through our list. You have my parboiled rice, my chicken, my veggies for salad, my bell pepper, and my spice. Every other thing will be labeled on the caption. You know how we season our chicken, right? Since it's Christmas, we want to give it that homemade flavor. So wash your chicken well. I always wash my chicken with lemon and salt water, with warm water too. And then put them in a clean bowl and you begin your seasoning. A lot of people wear gloves when they want to. You may choose to put on your gloves or not. I love to marinate it with my hands though, because I didn't have any glove though. But sometimes I wear gloves. Alright, so go in with your curry, go in with your thyme, go in with your seasoning, go in with a pinch of salt, and then mix it well. Sprinkle some lemon on it if you have, and then you can add your ginger garlic paste to give it that flavor that you are looking for, and then mix it thoroughly. No water needed, just be mixing it, okay? Allow it to set for some time. You can now come in with either your dry onions or your sliced onions. I didn't have dry onions at home, so I'm using the. And then I begin. Allow it to set while you come back to your veggies. I'm using scissors to chop off my veggies. I didn't want to use knife that day, so I can get an even and smaller size. Chopping all your veggies from your green pea to your yellow pepper, green pepper that you want to use. Chop everything equally the way it is, okay? Not too big and not too small, just normal. Alright, so while we are chopping that one, our chicken is getting ready, right? Like our chicken is getting ready. Don't forget we still have salad to prep, right? So while our chicken is getting ready, let's prep our salad. My salad is vegetable salad with chicken, so I can call it chicken salad. I go in with my lettuce, my carrots, my cabbage, and sweet corn. Okay, so I'm still using the same scissors to chop up my lettuce. See the size? It depends on what you're comfortable with. Okay, so I use scissors. This is going to take a long time. Baby lovers, I'm going to cut this video into different parts because it was a long day and it was different types of cooking, right? So, and we're videoing it together so I can actually separate all of them. I'm going to try my best, all right, to carry you along. Okay, so while we are still cutting that, tell me, what are your menu for this festival period? What are your menus? What are you cooking? What is that family recipe that you must constantly repeat every year, to pass down the knowledge, pass down the memory, and to create a fun time with your family? Let me know on the comment section. If you are still watching to this level, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Baby lovers. Okay, so I'm done with my lettuce. Now I'm creating my carrots. I'm creating it into this size. Pardon me, let me take a cup of water. Okay, into that size because my kids will be eating the salad. And then when you're done, you can now chop your garbage. Okay, everything is in small, small size. Nothing too big, nothing too serious. Okay, so cut them into the size that you are comfortable. Now that our cabbage is done, we can now mix it. So go in with your cabbage first, come in with your carrots, come in with the lettuce, go back to your cabbage, coming back like that. Keep mixing it like that until you have an even mixed salad. Okay, so back to our talk, baby lovers. Here in Nigeria, I won't lie, with the rise and price of everything, it makes it very difficult for families to feed, to be honest. When I was making this food, my idea or my plan was to feed as many people as I can see, starting from the security to the few people that I see on the streets just outside my estate. And that was exactly what I did. So I don't have much, but I just wanted to share the love and to show support and show love. As of course you already know, it's a season of love. Nothing is too small, nothing is too big. As long as it's what you're comfortable with, you can go ahead and do it. If you have the financial capacity, please bless people. Okay? Alright. So as you see, it's already giving us that color, right? Everything is laid evenly. Nothing is more than the other. It's already coming out. So we are going to go in with our sweet corn and then our fried shredded chicken. Okay? We are going to go in. But while that one is being set in the freezer, let's go over to our fried rice. This is the meat and the chicken stock that I already parboiled my chicken with. So just go in into the pot. It's frozen because I did it overnight. Okay. Go in and then go in with your curry, thyme. Once your chicken inside. When your chicken is done, fry your chicken. This is the boiled chicken that I've already fried. And these are the ingredients that we'll be using to make our fried rice. So go in with your seasoning, your fried rice seasoning, Maggi, mix it well. When everything is properly mixed, you cannot go in with your parboiled washed rice. Alright, baby lovers? Yeah. Fried rice is one of the easiest meals to make. You just know when and the quantity of the ingredients. So it's not too soft and it's rich enough. So the key word is on mixing it properly. Okay. And we love the colorfulness in fried rice. That is why we always go in with our curry and then your seasoning. I'm using no cube here, okay? So when you put it all, mix it, allow it to steam out a bit before you can now go in with your rice. Guys, if you're still watching to this level, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Go in with your pepper. But let me take a sip of my coffee. Ideally, I would have been playing music by this time, but CapCut has changed. Okay, their setting is more complex now, so we are still trying to figure it out. So bear with us. Go in with a pinch of salt, not too much, just a little. We don't want to overdo it, right? And then you stir. Go in with your rice. Give it a thorough mix. You have to be able to mix everything together. Okay? You mix the rice, you see, to give you this wonderful color. You have to mix everything, then allow the rice to cook until it's softened. while we're doing this, we are still frying chicken. Our salad, the first stage is over. We already kept it in the fridge, waiting for the chicken to be fried so we can put our shredded chicken inside and then give it a mix. Can now go in and add your water. Okay, so it depends on how soft and the kind of rice you are using. Remember not to overdo. We don't want it to be very soft, okay, but want it to be properly cooked, but not soggy soft. Okay, so allow your rice to simmer on a low heat, not much. You can add small water more, all right, and then you cover it, allow it to simmer. You can now go in with all the add ingredients. I call them add because they need to be cooked, like your green pea, okay, your kidney beans. Go in, put them all, test it, make sure the seasoning is okay. Then you can now cover your pot and allow it to cook. Then we'll go back to our salad. Our chicken is ready. You can now go in with your chicken. And you can take the quantity you want because it's not everything that you mix at once. You have to mix it bit by bit. And depending, since I'm giving this out, I'm going to mix this one with just mayonnaise. Most of the time I make my own mix salad cream myself. Sometimes I do 1,000 Island. That is ketchup, mayonnaise with lemon, and I mix. But this one I'm only using only mayonnaise because I want to give it out. So mix everything well. And then my mama is already cooked as of this time. So I'm allowing my mama to cool off and they're already being portioned. So when your salad is ready, when you give it a thorough mix and you're satisfied with the cream, you can now start serving. Okay, so I'm going to end this video on this particular side, and the part 2 will show how we make our fried rice veggies and how we cook our fried rice. For now, our salad is ready, mama is ready. Bon appetit. You can actually have, this is all I had for my Christmas day though. I tested the rice, but this is all I had. So mama is ready, salad is ready. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the notification button, baby lovers, so that you'll be updated when I make the next post. I appreciate all of you who have followed me, who have subscribed, and to those of you who haven't, please support my brand. I'm a new content creator. I'm trying. Okay, if you have any suggestion, correction, advice, please drop it on the comment section. Engage me in the videos, guys, and I will surely reply all messages. I will see you on my next video. Appreciate you all, baby lovers. Thank you. A very Merry Christmas to you, your family, your loved ones, my online family. I appreciate you all. I wouldn't have been here without you guys. Thank you so much. Oh, by the way, this was very filling and yummy. I tell you, salad and moi, you can never go wrong with those two combos. This is what we call collabo. All right, baby lovers. So I will see you on my next post. Bye for now. Enjoy. Bye.